Gold is an excellent metal which is used for various applications. However, it is not a superconductor. Superconductors refer to materials whose electrical resistance is extremely low or non-existent. Gold has high electrical conductivity, but it does not meet the criteria of a superconductor. Superconductors should be able to transmit electrical current without any resistance, and gold does not possess this property. Gold has a melting point of 1064.43 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is too high for it to become a superconductor. However, at low temperatures, other materials become superconductors. In 1985, gold was found to be a superconductor below 8 kelvins. However, this behavior was only seen for gold particles that were less than 25 angstroms in size. Gold is usually not regarded as a superconductor. Instead, it is mainly used for its beauty and its value. It is often used to make jewelry or coins. Gold is not malleable enough for it to become a superconductor at higher temperatures. This is because the amount of energy needed to move the electrons found in gold is too high. Superconductors are usually used to make transformers and electronic circuits. However, gold is not usually used for these purposes due to its low electrical resistance. Gold is a good conductor because it contains free electrons that can easily move around. But, due to its high resistivity, it is not suitable for use in circuits. Superconductors have the ability to provide superior electrical current efficiency compared to regular conductors. Gold is not able to do this, and therefore it cannot be referred to as a superconductor. Gold is, however, used as a connector material in certain devices due to its low resistivity. It is also used in electrical interconnects and other components. Gold has many unique properties which make it suitable for many applications. For example, it is resistant to corrosion and it has a low reactivity. Although gold has numerous uses, it is not a superconductor due to its relatively high resistivity and its high melting point. In recent times, large strides have been made in the field of superconductivity. Recently developed materials can now operate at a much higher temperature compared to gold and can be used for various applications. Gold is often used to make electrical circuits, but it cannot be used in place of a superconductor due to its higher resistivity. Another reason why gold is not considered as a superconductor is that it cannot store magnetic fields, which is necessary for superconductors. Gold is an unreliable material when it comes to carrying electric currents for long distances, as its high resistivity causes the current to be lost. Despite gold's low resistivity, it still cannot be used as a superconductor because of other factors. These include, for example, its low reactivity and its relatively high melting point. Gold is also much more expensive than other materials that can be used for superconductivity. This is another factor why gold cannot be used as a superconductor. In conclusion, gold is an excellent metal that has numerous uses, but it is not a superconductor due to its higher resistivity and other properties. Gold is not a chemically active material, and that is why it cannot be used in the same way as a superconductor. Low reactivity is also essential for superconductors. Gold cannot store magnetic fields and is also relatively expensive when compared to materials that are used as superconductors. This is a major factor in why gold cannot be used in the same way as a superconductor. Superconductors are usually made of materials that have lower melting points than gold. The higher melting point of gold prevents it from becoming a superconductor at higher temperatures. Gold does have some uses in the field of electronics, but because of its relatively high resistivity it is not used in the same way as superconductors. Gold cannot be used to transmit current from a distance as its resistivity causes it to be less efficient than a superconductor. This makes it inferior to materials that are used as superconductors. Superconductors are used to make electronic devices and even magnetic levitation technology. Gold cannot be used for such purposes due to its high resistivity.